What's up, guys? It's Tucker. Keep it real simple here. Gonna talk curtain walls. So I'll start off with the curtain wall tool. I'll just draw one out here and just put it at 30 feet. Why not? And then, so I want to go over how the curtain wall looks, just briefly. So a curtain wall gives you a cool opportunity to just make like a real feature wall. I think generally they're used as exterior walls, but you might even be able to get away with it on the inside. Might be kind of cool inside. But this is what you're going to get with your basic curtain wall, just right off the bat. It's pretty simple and honestly kind of boring. So I'll show you a couple things here. If we select it and we go to its properties with Command T or Control T, we can choose the height. So let's just run it to a third floor right now. Oh, I guess I did that wrong. Let's see. Oh yeah, home story, first floor. Oh, and then let's just make it. We'll just make it 30 feet tall. We'll just do that. Let's see. Here it comes. There it is. So you see, it starts a pattern. You can see we've got a row of windows, and some other rows, and then another row of windows, and another row of windows. So I want to talk about how to adjust those. As you open it up, the scheme is kind of your pattern. And so here you've got your columns section. This is the grid pattern and preview stuff. So you start off with your columns, and if you click here too on the graphic over here, it'll help you understand which column is column A, which one's B, and so forth. So let's just say we wanted to make this wider, and we'll just say, since we'll go with 4, and we'll go with 1, or let's go 7, and let's go 3. And then down here it says that the total width of the pattern is 10 feet, and I wanted to do that because we have a total length of 30 feet, and then our height is 30 feet as well. So why don't we just keep these right where they're at 3 foot, 5 foot, and 2 foot, because that'll give us what we're looking for. And then you can see here that there's a handful of options, but I want to talk about panels as well. So as you go to, there's what they call the distinct panel, or what's showing up is those windows right now. We can go ahead and we can change them to, we'll just change them to this window here. And so now you can see that it's a proper window instead of just that opening. And then let's say we wanted to do the windows with this one. We wanted it to be a full window wall. So we'll do that for the main panel as well. And then when we apply this, you're going to see that everything's going to go to a window front once it loads properly. There we go. So now everything's shown as a window. So this is one way that you could have a total window front. And of course you can edit that and play with it however you like. So then another thing, if you click on it and you click that little edit button, it's going to bring up this menu bar here. And one thing that's nice is if you click on something, it'll open or close or basically freeze or show that item. But if you right click on it, it will close everything but that one. So like as I go over the panel here, one thing that I was enjoying today as I was working on this, so what we'll do is we'll do this really quick. So we'll go to the scheme grid. We're gonna go to the frame. My bad. Oh boy. Yep. This computer's working hard to just do this simple thing. Sorry guys. Okay, so we go over here, click edit again. Sorry. and then we're going to isolate the frame by right-clicking on it. Okay, and then just for the sake of this, we're going to take out this bar here, but something to note is you can select all the ones that mirror this one vertically, or all the ones that mirror it horizontally. You have that option, but we're just going to delete this one because I want to show what we can do with this individual panel. So if we go isolate the panels now, it's going to switch. I'm going to select this panel, and then if I right-click and I go curtain wall, properties or panel selection settings, I can change this one individually. So let's say, you see I've got a lot of options here, but let's say I want to do the revolving door. Say I'm doing a storefront or something. I pop that in, and it's going to load it in there for me, and now I've got a revolving door. And as you saw, again, that's Control T, or you can just right click and click on it here. But you've got a lot of options. You just got the basic panels, you got a double door, you got a sliding door, you got this asymmetric double door, you got these louver panels. You have a lot of different options, and then of course you're gonna have different settings for each door that you select. But play around with those. Curtain wall, I think is more common in like modern architectural styles and commercial stuff, but maybe it has a place in your project, so give it a shot, try it out, make it custom, make it unique, and enjoy that. Alright guys, take care.